Sathariba rescue operation aduda Ladakh taki purakpa sophisticated machine yauna wall through rider machine sing sizinaduna haksang sing thiri nakalamaromda thaudo aduda soklaba rescue tawkhiba mioi kya tongan ba layang sangda laikanari haujiksu thaudo aduda haksang kya lainungda fumjinduna lairamkhigani singnari panba yai ngarang nongalamdai punga marom taba matamda None district ke manung chana laiba Tupul gi railway junction nakna laiba Makham village part 5 manakta pak chauna ching ningkhai bada chaurakna mioi marifu mathoi hena sokhan khibane
Any civilian and army?
Yeah, just we have rescued army personnel around 23 and the civilian also. Civilian we will not be able to recover. Only one body has been recovered. And in the army personnel, 8 yesterday we recovered, and today another 8 has recovered. This is total 70. Total trap is around 55. No, not is all trap. 8 person has recovered today. But we could not identify who belongs, army or civilian, but 8 bodies have been recovered. And due to the soft soil, we are not able to narrow the road to cross the actual area. Actual area is after crossing this range of much slight. So we are trying, we are using available materials, available trucks, JCBs, personnel, and the army also with us, working together with coordination with the state government. We have already provided the area people, and we are very kind of the Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, and we are very much kind of the Honorable Union Home Minister Amit Shah ji. So yesterday they personally monitored the situation and advised me to do whatever we can, and the center has already sent army personnel as well as the NDRF peoples who are specially trained for this kind of rescue teams. And we are hoping that we will be able to found all the dead bodies within these 2-3 days. But it will take 2-3 days because our soil is so soft and even we cannot pass.